Okay. Hi everyone. Thanks for joining the weekly market update. Okay. And as we know that from June batch and September batch people, I'll just urge you to be go through revise your basics like price, pattern, value, momentum, and volatility, because this is the foundation of everything. I can say that if in case we are good at these five pillars, then we can modify our strategy. We can take a trade properly. We can manage our risk, everything. But until and unless we are not understanding the foundation level topics, price, pattern, value, momentum, volatility, otherwise it is very difficult for us to be believe the market itself for a trading. Okay, this is the major thing, major first thing. Second thing is that we are doing the top down approach. Okay, top down approach, everyone aware, I hope. Very few people were joined recently, and I just need to be explain them what exactly top down approach. What we are doing, last to last week we have go through the all the slides, like around 80 slides. But in this week we are going to explain, discuss about the Indian market only. But what is top down approach means, first we are reviewing the world market, after that Indian market like Nifty, Bank Nifty, sectorial view, and we are picking the best stocks out of the outperforming sectors. This is what the top down approach. If the entire world market, Indian market are bullish, then we are going to buy, or our view will be a bullish view. Okay, if it is a market is not good, or a world market is not good, Indian market is not good, in that time we used to be have a bearish view. Okay, this is why this is how we are picking the best stocks to go long or go short, both the way. Okay, and last to last week we have discussed, like global market, community, Indian market, sectorial view, best sectors. But with respect to the time constraint, this week I am discussing about the Indian market structure. Later on we are moving to the strategy part. Okay, and I hope everyone is preparing their own this particular statistics every week. This is the main thing, like based on this particular data we are going to be understand what is what is happening in the global market. Okay, you can look at this. In US market, all the RSI, like daily, weekly, and monthly, all the RSI above 60, that means it's a bullish. Even though in case of Germany it's a good, Japan and Korea there is some sideway. Okay, otherwise overall market is good. Global market, from this data we are understanding global market is stable. There is no issue with the global market. There are some news with respect to war and all, but with respect to US, nothing problem. So we can consider global market is stable. Second thing is that we are going to discuss about the Indian market, right? In Indian market, Nifty, you can see here, Nifty taking a 40 support. Okay, that means in weekly it is taking a uh, moving average support, and daily 40 support DWM. Even though now it is weekly below 60, but it's a piercing candlestick pattern. Okay, even in Bank Nifty, Nifty and Bank Nifty, it is a piercing type of it. It's need to be some more height, but for Bank Nifty it is absolutely piercing. It's a bullish actually. I mean, engulf candle in Nifty Bank, and in Nifty it is a piercing pattern. That means it's a bullish. Now at this point of time also, bulls are not giving up. That is the view. That means we can consider market is in a bullish view only. We are not going to be short, or going to be take a bearish view at this point of time, until and unless it is crossing below 24,600. Okay, so let's see how whether we are getting the follow through or not. That makes sense. Follow through means, let me share with you this one. I'll explain because there are a very interesting topic in Nifty daily chart. Let me share that one. Guys, you can stop me and ask if you have any questions. Okay. Where is that? 1 minute. Is taking this. Okay. Okay. We know that DWM strategy. Okay. But the value of 40 is, it is very important. Okay. Why means you can observe here. There are around 7 to 8 times it took a support at 40. Okay. Let me adjust this one. It's supposed to be do it early itself. Okay. Fine. Okay. First time it's a near. Okay. Near to 40. Second time. Okay. Third time. Fourth time. Okay. My again, why it is not okay. Okay. Fifth time. Sixth time. Okay. Eighth time. Now it is the almost ninth time. Okay. That means it's not so easy to be break down the 40 support in daily. In the same time, we know that weekly it is at the support of moving average. Okay, moving average 20 SMA, we call that as a Lakshman Rekha. It's not so easy to be break down that one. In this particular June, that was the election week. That's why it is came down. Okay, but immediately it is taking a reverse from the middle band also. Middle band are a 20 SMA moving average. And in the same time, we are observing it is taking a support at 40. And the very important point or nugget here, we need a follow through. You can observe here when it took a support in this particular price, right? Okay. But we got the follow through. Follow through means this is the price where it, bulls are very strong. It made a W pattern and it started, taking the support. That is what the follow through. But now we have to observe on Monday whether we are getting the follow through or not. Okay, let me admit these guys. Okay. Okay. You understand, right? Okay. We need a follow through here. And last time we learned about the W pattern, right? Now the Nifty is making a W pattern. This is the first leg. Okay. This is the second leg. It made a, green candle. Now the people who want to be, buy the index or a Nifty, they can buy with a tomorrow, candle above and keep a SL at the swing low. This is what the W strategy which we have been learnt earlier. This will be the first buy. Okay. Second buy when we are going to be learn buy once it's breakout 25 to 100. It's a index chart. Okay. Similarly, we can apply for the future chart also. If you are trading Nifty in future particularly. Okay. Okay. Okay, this is all about the Nifty. And if in case we are taking Bank Nifty, it is more bullish than the Nifty comparatively. Okay, you can see here, it's a this is also a W pattern, right? This is the W pattern. If it is breakout from this particular resolution point, then we can see that we can trail our positions and we can go ahead bullish only. Okay, so here also it is not breakdown from the 40. In weekly it is below 60, but it is taking a support here, and we can see the weekly PRD also in a weekly chart. Okay, and monthly, yeah, anyhow it is bullish. There is no issue with that one. Okay, we call that as an undertone, but in daily it is taking now 40 support. It is entirely engulf candle. So view, it is in Bank Nifty and Nifty, it is a completely we can call this as a bullish view. Okay, and other sectors like Nifty we done, and Sensex same as a Nifty. Okay, bullish view. Nifty Finance also it's taking a support. Nifty Finance is more stronger, like because look at this, it is taking a support at 16 weekly time frame, and in the same time moving average also. So guys, just we are connecting the points whatever we learned from that basic no 5 pillars of technical analysis. We are connecting the points: price, pattern, value, momentum, and volatility. Okay, we are connecting and we are utilizing those opportunity to make money, right? Okay, and sectorial view, we discussed about the Nifty and Bank Nifty. Now we are coming to consumer durable. Weekly and monthly it is above 60, daily it is taking at the 40 support. This is what DWR, right? Okay, we must need to be go through the all the consumer durable stocks and analyze that one. Okay, I am not going to all the stocks. Okay, it's your homework, and I can show you that how you can do that one. But definitely it should be every week you people need to be prepare this data and go through all the sectorial stocks, then only we can make a best you know basket of a stocks. Okay, and randomly we are not trading. Randomly at 9:30 we are picking one stock and we are not trading. At weekend we are working on our homework and preparing the basket of stocks, and we are working on that in the weekdays. Okay, we can go through one by one sectors, and after that we can check few of the stocks which have been make a list. Later on we can switch for the strategy part. Okay, look at PSU banks, because the main primary sector Nifty Bank is nothing but it is a primary sector of a entire Indian market. Whenever Nifty Bank is doing good, in the same time PSU banks also is are going to do best. Okay, that's why we have to concentrate on the PSU banks also, because it is at value buying. Value buying is nothing but weekly or monthly whenever the stocks are coming back to the 40 support in a higher time frame. That means there will be a very low risk. Okay, uh, if in case we are checking Canara Bank and Bank of Baroda, 1 minute, I'll show you that. Okay, look at this. Now it is taking a support from weekly 40, and anyhow monthly it is above 60 itself. That means major time frame or a higher time frame market it is bullish. There is no issue with that one. But in weekly it is giving us an opportunity, investment opportunity. This will be the investment opportunity. I don't say that this is a momentum pick. This will be the value buying, or this will be the support trade. Okay, if in case we are entering the stock or this particular trade at 105 or 104, our SL is very low, around 98. Anyhow, it is a round number also, and it is not breaking out from the previous low. Price, you can just think about the price action here. Okay, from the round number 100 is the round number, and now it is not breaking down from that particular price, and this will be the very low risk trade. You are getting my point, right? Okay, our first entry will be at this particular price with a very less price. Okay, risk. And second entry once it is breakdown from this particular trend line. Any question, guys? 1 minute. If anyone have any question, please. 1 minute.
Okay.
1 minute. I am sharing one link to the people who are not yet joined. Here, what happened? Give me a minute, guys, please. Okay, fine. See? Right. Okay, we're back to session. Fine. Okay, any question with respect to this one? You understand this one, right? That's just I am giving one or two examples with respect to each sector. Okay, how we can utilize this buying opportunity. This we can call this as a bottom out of a market, but with respect to the follow through. If in case we are getting the follow through, then this will be the bottom up. That means it's a low for low at this point of time. Okay, we have to find out the buying opportunity here. Look at this, same thing. Here also it made a W pattern in weekly. It started moving upside. Bank of Baroda. That's fine.
Yes,
Bank
Trader.
Nifty or banking sectors are doing great. In the same time, PSU banks we have to concentrate. Okay, we can get the a value buying opportunity in this particular time. Okay, let's go to next sector, consumer durable. This is one of the again best outperforming sector. We know that. Sorry. Okay. First one, we discussed about the PSU. Second best sector is consumer durable because in weekly and monthly it is still holding above 60. Now it came back to 40. Okay, it is taking a support. Okay, just look at the earlier trend when it first time when it came to 40 support. Okay, it moved like anything. Okay, let me take this one. Look at this. This is the 40 support. It moved like a crazy. And I don't say that now also it is going to be move just like a rocket earlier. But as an analyst, we have to be, take a risk, little risk, target for the best, outcome. And this is what the opportunity currently. Okay, so from consumer durable, sector, whatever stocks are there, no, just like a Havels or a Grasim, Voltas, HAL, I think so. HAL is not part of that, but we have to go through that stocks and we have to find out which stocks where we can get the best opportunity based on our strategy. Okay, for that, let me check one or two stocks. Okay, look at this Voltas. Okay, here it is below 60 in daily, but last time when it is give a green candle in 40. Okay, around 1800 we got a buying opportunity with a 1740 as the SM. Now it is trading above our buy price if in case we follow DWM strategy. Correct. Okay, now also we have the opportunity. Okay, but at the middle we are not buying, just wait for the 60, trading above 60 for Voltas. Okay, for other than that, which stock I have? Grasim or Havels? Yes, Grasim, it has to break this 60 resistance. Havels also same thing, I think so. Yeah, this is also same, just like below 60. But currently we have a Havels, uh, not Havels. Voltas is the best one, and Titan also part of this particular sector. Let me see that. Mm, no, 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 no. Okay. Anyway, we are going. I mean, you guys can go through once again all the stocks of consumer durable. Okay. If you don't have this particular template, you can just let me know. I'll share. Last week whatever we worked, no, around 80 plus slides are there. I'll share with you people. Okay. Next sector is metal. Okay. Look at this. It made a M pattern in weekly with what is that? It's a doji or a spinning top, right? At the resistance level it made and it is coming down. Currently we are not touching metal stocks, but within that we have a Vedanta is the very strong stock. If it is taking a support now at this particular price because it made a green candle on Friday, then we are considering because middle band support, green candle around 40 50 RSI in daily. So let's see. But till crossing this all time high, no, we have to be very defensive with respect to metal sector. Okay, second one auto, similar view. It's also made a M pattern kind of thing. Okay, and now we have to be wait for proper pullback. It is taking a 40 support with a PRD and other things. Okay, but still it looks like not that much bullish because weekly it is came below 60. There could be a chance to be consolidate here. Okay, and the major reason for auto sector to be come down is Bajaj Auto around 10% it's came down. I think Thursday session. Okay, because of that also the auto entire sector is looking like a bearish or it's in a sideway in coming week. Okay, reality same thing, like it is below 60. We are not touching the stocks from a reality. Okay, infra. Okay, it's taking a 40 support in daily. Weekly it is at 58 price, 58 RSI in weekly. That means there is a chance to be pullback, but just wait for making a good green candle in weekly. That means next week we are not touching infra stocks, but if in case it made any good green candle in the next week, thereafter we are looking the best stocks from infra sector. Okay, media, anyhow it is completely sideways, not touching any long position in this particular sector. PSC, okay, and this is also same thing. It's made a range shift in weekly. We already learned about the range shift, right? Previously in weekly chart you can see, previously it is bullish, it came down from the plus 60 to minus 60, and again it is rejected from the 60. It is purely range shift. Until and unless it is breaking out from that particular range, 60 range, we are not trading any stocks from this particular you know uh, sector. Okay, it is very important to say no when we are picking the stocks or sectors. Okay, when we filter with respect to our particular rules, then we are going to be get a very best outperforming stocks. That's why we are filtering here. Even though we don't, we could have get a best stock from PSC also, but our discipline, our top down approach is saying currently I'm not trading the stock from the PSC sector, or else infra or a media. This is what our procedure to be followed. Okay, I hope you are understanding. Similarly, FMCG also. Okay, it is still below 60 and below moving average in weekly time frame. So currently we have two best sector. One is I can say that pharma and consumer durable. Okay, from these two sectors we are going to make a basket of stocks. Okay, and we are trading on that. Okay, and banking sectors, finance and banking related stocks we are going to be concentrate. Okay, banking sector, consumer durable, and pharma, these are the three top outperforming sector to go long. I hope you understand and you make a note of sectors also. And I request everyone to go back to your FYERS trading platform and go through each chart, each particular sector and sectorial stocks. Okay, for example here consumer durable sector chart is there, and we have a set of stocks here. For example, Dixon is one of the best outperforming stock from consumer durable, but the cost of this particular stock is a 15,000. Okay, it's but it's doing a price is not a matter. Okay, because based on the price also the volatility is matters. Okay, within, you can see here, within 1 week from 13,000 to 15,000. Okay, the percentage of change is matters, not only not stock price. Okay, and we have a Havels we discussed, Voltas we discussed. Okay, we can check one more stock from this. I think Crompton. Yeah, no, it's came down last week when we reviewed. It was a support at 40, 16 weekly. That's why we thought of buying this one. Fine, but we have the Dixon as a best stock, Voltas as a best stock from this particular sector. And along with that, when we checking the pharma sector, okay, Aroforma. Okay, it is at 40 support and 60 support. Look at this. Okay, we can consider this as a DWM also, right? Cipla, it is below 40, 60 in weekly. We are not touching this one. Divis Lab, look at this. It is not at all coming down. Okay, this is spinning top at top. I mean, at the higher price. We have to see how the price is going to be sustained here around 6,000 range. You can see this is the inside. There are three inside candles. Okay, if it is sustained and breakout from the all-time high, then again we can start. Otherwise it is going to be in a sideway for few days. Okay, look at the this particular opportunity. Advanced DWM 60 60 60 from around 5,500 to 6,300. So we have to work on the weekend. We have to choose these kind of stocks and we have to wait for the opportunity. If in case we are not working on the weekend, then randomly, if in case we are picking any stock, then I don't think so we are making a proper trades. We are executing a proper trades. Okay, so now what I'll do, any question guys? I'm just explaining everything. It should not be like one way conversation. If you have any questions, please. Anybody have any question? Okay. Okay. Then I have a few stocks which need to be discussed. So we can go through that one. Uh, this is the first, Deepavali peak. I can suggest you people. Okay. The reason behind that, it is at the value buying. As per our, strategy, this is in the monthly chart. It is at the value buying pattern. Okay. So whenever we see that value buying, we have to take around 15 to 20%, here we can space actually. No, my current SL is 190. I have already updated that one in the group also. Okay, but upside, you can here you can check the volumes, pattern. Okay, momentum means it is coming out from the 60 in weekly and monthly, and in daily also it is above 60. This is what momentum. We are connecting the points, guys. Price, pattern, value, momentum, and volatility. Okay. In volumes are pretty good in monthly chart, and as per our value buying pattern, okay, it is good actually. And second, it is at the lowest price currently. Even though on Monday also we can add more quantity. I bought at 231st. Again, I am going to be buy on Monday. Few more quantity tomorrow. Because based on the bullish candle we are buying. We are not. This is not a negative pyramiding, but we are adding few more quantity below because of the 60 support in daily. This is the opportunity for us. So we are just connecting all the 5 pillars and we are adding the quantity. I hope you understand this one. This is the one of the stocks which I know we are adding in cash portfolio. Not it is not in the future. Apart from that, we have a few DWM and cup pattern stocks. Okay, National Aluminium from the metal sector, it is doing great actually. This we can use for the future trading or option trading. Okay, we traded this one last week. Whenever it is came near to 60. Okay, I think here in this particular 213 and 215 range, adding a small quantity in cash also, because it was it was a cup pattern stock few months back. Look at this, 130 to 230. This is why we are trading cup patterns. Okay, within few months it has become almost 80%, right? Okay, next stock is Tata Motors. Auto is not good. Auto sector is not good. That's why we are not touching this one currently. But look at the weekly and monthly chart. Monthly 60 support, weekly 40 support. If it is taking any reversal here, this will be value buying opportunity. Because at the we have the two ways. One is income generation, another one is wealth creation. Whenever we are thinking about the wealth creation, we have to find the opportunity like this, low risk entries. Okay, if in case we are adding some quantity at 900 range, we are keeping around 850 as a SL, and if it is taking a support, technically it has to take a support at 40 and 60. Okay, so we are adding Tata Motors to portfolio at the least or a less price. Otherwise, we are just giving a 50 rupee as a SL, but upside there is a huge opportunity. 1:5, 1:6 we have here. 50 rupee SL and 1200, 1300 we have the at least 1200, 11 to 1200 target. Okay, this is how we are finding the value buying opportunities. Okay, and one more stock is this one. 1 second. AB Realistic. Aditya Birla. This is the recent stock, I think so. ABR NSE chart, right? Yeah, this is NSE chart. Recently, October 2024. Recently, IPO stock. Okay. So if in case you got the IPO for this particular stock, I think Prashant is asked the question for this. Okay. Monthly and weekly, there is no chart actually. This is just started in the market. Okay. We can if in case we got at around 2600, we can hold with a low. That's it. I don't know fundamental of this one, but as per the chart, currently whatever candles are formed, it is good. Just you can hold that one with a 2700 as a SL currently. Based on these volumes, it is looks very great. Okay. Okay. Century plyboard is there. This is the one, Prashant. Century plyboard. Hmm. It's Aditya Birla Real Estate. Mhm. No, it's I think so. They have been merged that one, and we can't able to get that exact chart. I think Century text. Okay, let's review this one in that case.
Murugesh, earlier it was
The
called
price is
Century
23,
Textiles.
something like that.
See whether you will get it under Century Textiles.
I think this is different than textile, Century Textile. Checks that plywood also.
No, Century Textiles
Century.
it was. Recently, Aditya Birla, it was under Aditya Birla arm only. So they renamed it as
This
Aditya
is
Birla
different. This is a cup
Real
pattern,
Estate.
and this is something different again. Okay, breakout, pattern breakout. It's need to be give a confirmation. That's okay.
Maybe
Yeah.
is that Century Extrusions because the code name says no
Who
Centex,
is not joined?
similar to what he said. I don't know.
Sorry. 1 second, guys. Joining. One second. Second. One after. Keep this up. Okay, and apart from that, the stocks which we are tracking is LIC, not LIC, ICICI Prudential. It is the DWM stock. Okay, weekly and monthly it is above 60 and it is taking a support at 40. Okay, this is the entry level low risk entry. Okay, 1 minute. Sorry guys. Let me talk. Okay. Okay. This is the entry level we can add because ICICI is related to banking sector and banking sector is going to be reverse as per our review. And in the same time, we can see here one more important thing. It is reversing from the what we call this one cup pattern with CIP, right? So this will be the very low entry. Any question, guys? Here. Okay. This one the best stock as per the DWM. Okay. And same thing DWM. Okay. See the difference between ICICI and PCBL. PCBL candle we can see it's a kind of a doji. That means there is no confirmation and volumes also not that great. But in case of ICICI Prudential, here we have the good candle, good healthy candle we can call. Okay, so whenever we are comparing 2 to 3 stocks, no, we have to compare which one is best based on the candlestick volumes and everything. Okay.
Yes.
Nava, same thing. Little risk, very low risk. If in case we are above this particular 1,000, no round number, okay, 1,015 tomorrow's, if it is breakout
No.
from 1,015, our SL as per the strategy is 980. That's it. But upside, strength, a potential you can think. And similarly, it's a W pattern also. Correct? It's a first entry, second entry. After that, if it is breakout from the 60, okay, again we are adding. And in monthly and weekly, it is great. There is no issue. Okay. And the stock is CAMS. It's a cup breakout again. And advanced DWM also. Look at the CIP. Change in polarity is the major, price action element. Okay, in all the time frame, huh? In all the time frame. Basically, I used to be considered from hourly and above. Okay, so look at this how it is reverse from 4,000 range. Okay, this is again a cup pattern. Okay, it has to cross 500 above, and after that we are taking the trade in this particular stock. Okay, any doubt guys till now? And I am not going through all the stocks. Already we have a screener in place. I have already shared with you people, right? Screener, DWM screener, weekly wealth creation strategies screener, cup pattern screener, everything is provided to you people. I need you people need to be work weekend. At least we have to spend at least 3 to 4 hours. So you people can be get a best cup pattern stocks, wealth creation stocks, DWM and advanced DWM stocks, momentum stocks, whatever we shared no till now strategies. You just apply your we need to be work. After that we have to day to enter into the market or buy the stocks. If in case you are not working, no, I can support now, I can provide. Still, I am working and at end of a day, I'll provide my basket of stocks. Okay. But the important point is that you need to be spend your time on the market research. Then only you will be a best analyst. There will be a 6 month, a time frame, and I am supporting whatever I can able to. But if you are made a habituate about researching every week, spending time every week, then you can get a best stocks. Okay. Any questions, guys? Okay. Then the next point, next topic. Okay. The people who are joined late, no, I'm going to be provide the recording. Okay. You can go through once again. Okay. And the MOT-4, I need to be record that as I said. Okay. But as we have under few, around 20 minutes, I'll just explain the rules. Okay. I'm not yet prepared the PPT also, but just I'll take you through the, few conditions. You can make a note of that one, and you can just back test that one. Okay. Uh, Prasad, if you have any questions, you can just unmute and you can speak about that because
No.
we have discussed yesterday and you have did some backtesting also. Hey, hi. Okay. Yeah. Correct. Correct. Yes, yes. We can check that one. Let me explain the
Okay.
rules of this particular strategy. Okay. Later on, we can go through few examples. In that time, if you have any questions, no, we can discuss on that. Okay. Okay then. Guys, this is very simple. This is specifically based on the RSI. We know about the RSI range shift 40-60. Okay. So what we are doing whenever hourly, RSI came to 40 in hourly time frame. The reason behind that we can use the same thing for the daily also as per the DWM. Okay, but whenever we are trading in options, no, so my practice is that first I am coming
Hi
one time
Murugesh.
frame low, that is hourly.
Yes, I have gone through the
Okay, in
strategy
that
you have explained
particular
yesterday,
time,
and I
hourly
have
time frame,
yeah,
whenever make
the
a
current
green
document.
candle,
Okay,
healthy
I
green
prepared it
candle with
as
support
per
of
my
40
understanding.
and 60.
Even in the middle, I have raised some
Okay,
questions also,
40 will
doubts
be,
also.
40 will be the
Can you
support trade, 60 will
could you
be
please
the
validate
momentum
this?
trade or
The
a
entry and
breakout trade you
exit
can call.
criterias.
If in case we entered, two lot or four lot based on our capital at the 40 support, okay. After that, we can pyramid at the 60, breakout also. But this will be the swing
Yeah,
trading.
sure.
This is not an intraday trading. For intraday and scalping purpose, we have the MOT-1 and 2, and for MOT-3, 4 and 5 will be the swing trading. And you people aware that our target is to make the 100% premium gain by using MOT-3, 4 and 5. Okay, 5 and 4 I'll record and I'll share with you. But now just I'm explaining about the MOT-4 conditions. Okay, let me share the simple. In case of PE, the when range shift happened or a rejecting from the 60 in hourly time frame, we are buying the PE. Whenever taking the support from 40 and 60, we are buying the CE. Clear, guys? Any question? Okay. Let me take Nifty. You guys, you can stop me and ask the question, huh? Please. Because see, MOT 1 and 2 are the good strategies definitely, but those are intraday purpose or whenever we have the time to spend in front of the screen, those we can utilize, or else for the pyramiding purpose we can use that one. But these MOT-3, 4, 5, these are the swing trading kind of thing. Weekend when we are analyzing the market, no, in that time we are picking the stocks. Those are already bullish, but in the same time, those are 40 support also. Okay, so look, we can review few charts. Let me remove this one. Okay, fine. Nifty, I'm taking daily chart left side and hourly chart right side. Okay, so we can compare that one. What was the action in the daily and what is the action in the hourly also? Okay, this I'm doing the back testing. Okay. Okay. This is called pullback also, but I'll prepare that separately. Okay. Look at this. You can see here, no? It came to 40. Let me mark this one. Where is that? Here. Okay. Okay. Here it is 40, right? 40 support it is taking. Okay. What happened in the same time in daily, you can observe in the left, it is taking the middle band support also. Okay, that won't be a matter actually, but for our option trading, at least hourly, it must take a support at 40. If it is taking support from the middle band or a 60 support, then that is great. We are just connecting the points here: higher time frame, lower time frame. Okay, look at this. When it made green candle at end of a day, okay, we can buy BTST or something like that above this one, okay, with a very low quantity. Low quantity is nothing but test in the water. Just we are checking the two lot we are buying and holding for the next day. Okay, and the SL is not based on the premium. It is based on the candle which are forming in the Nifty future chart, Nifty future or a Nifty index chart. Okay, and one more thing, let me take this one. I mean future chart, because volumes are important. I need to be explained that also. Nifty October continuous chart. Okay, fine. Here you can see. Same. Let me mark this one. Here it took a support at 41, and in the same time, okay, you just connect the points. In daily, it is taking a support at middle band, and in the hourly time frame, it is taking 40 support. Based on the one candle, okay, here somewhere when it is open equal to low, look at this. Nifty future open equal to low, gap up and open equal to low. After that, within few candles, 25,000 to 25 500 points. Okay, any questions, guys? Okay, and let's this will be the CE side. Yes, if somebody asking something. Yes, we are connecting the points actually. We are checking whether if it is a below 60, no, middle band, no, there will be the bearishness, right? That's why. To review the entire trend, we are checking our daily chart. But to enter with a low risk, we are checking the hourly chart. Got it, right? Second, in one more, P. This will be the C trade. Okay, when we entered at the entry, like next day around 12th September at 9:15, around 2500, 150. Okay, on the same day
No.
itself, it moved around 400 points. Okay, add the money price, add the money strike price around 25, 200 or 100. If it is trading around 200, at end of a day, the
So
price
Murugesh,
will be
Mahesh
at
here.
least
So We'll also
200 to
see
600.
daily chart
400
also in
points
parallel.
moved, right?
What
200 to
daily chart
600.
did not touch the 20 SMA or something. If it is somewhere.
Okay.
Okay.
And one
Mhm.
P example, I'll tell you
Right.
that. After that we can go to option chart and check that one. Okay, look at this day, I think so. This one, it is a gap down, purely gap down, but
Yes.
when these things happen, right, where is that? Here, this will be the hourly and this will be the daily. Okay, one more, I'll take one more line here, vertical line to mark here. Okay, this will be the hourly. Let me take this. Okay, when it is made a red candle, right, at the top, this will be the all-time high in that time, correct? But next day what happened? It is gap down, right? Okay, I mean to say that we have to try with a little quantity because of the red candle at the top. Okay, and when it is breakdown from this 60, if in case already if in we are in the capital, position, then we could have make a good money. Okay, similarly, look at first time, if in case we are missing that one, second time, okay, when it is breaking down from the 40 RSI, we can enter here, right? One thing is it is not not able to cross middle band or a 20 moving average in hourly. In the same time, it is breaking down from the RSI 14 hourly. We can trade here, P, right? Within few hours, from 25 300 360 to it came low 24 950, 400 points, right? Few hours, 1 or 2 days we can consider. Again here it took a support at 40. Okay, if in case we are enter into around 24 100 150, it made 25 300 150 points. Okay, so I think it is clear for you people. Any doubt? Okay. Eh, yeah, Prasad. Hmm. Okay. No, we have to wait for. We have to wait. For example, for this particular scenario, if I couldn't able to enter previous day 315, okay, first hour it is pretty good, like open equal to low. Okay, I can add few quantity. For additional quantity, I need to be wait for this green candle breakout. Okay. Based on other factors, I can add 1 or 2 quantity at the 915 itself. But actual MOT-4 quantity or a huge quantity based on our capital, we are adding above this green candle only. And we are exiting our position whenever we see the candle which are closing below the moving average middle band in hourly time frame.
Practice a bit.
And the strike price
I'm
which we
Naresh.
are trading now, that should be
Yeah,
at least 2
while
to 3
taking the support from
week away or
RSI
monthly.
40,
Only
sometimes
monthly
we see some doji candles, small green candles. So do we need to consider that,
at the
or
money.
we
Add the
have
money.
to wait for
Add the money.
some good green candle?
Okay, 1 or 2 strike price we can take out of the money, but not extreme out of the money. Like 25,000 it is trading now. At this particular time, 25 200 is trading. If you want to,
Yeah.
if you are planning to buy 25 600, that won't be workout if it is went sideways.
Okay.
Okay, that's why add the money is the best
Yes.
way. Hmm. Hmm. Absolutely. We are adding,
Okay.
definitely we are adding the position, but not with a full quantity. Whenever we have the doubt, no, we are
Okay.
adding, reducing our position sizing. Here, the position sizing is very important. Whenever we have a
Okay.
doubt, no, when this particular volume
Is
came,
that
no, I
should
can
be
add
a
more and
in the
more
money
quantity.
candle or at the money
For example, initially I
ADM
start with a 4 lot.
at the money?
I can add immediately another, of 4 or 8 lot,
But what about
because
the
volumes are supporting RSI 60 crossed. Everything is there here, right? Huh. Initially, while building the position, we are adding low quantity, test in the water. Whenever we see the volumes and the momentum, volatility, everything we are adding here. Again, we are buying.
yes? So- Sometimes we are
Got
not
it right?
finding some good
Any questions,
volumes.
guys?
For example, you enter at 9:15 candle, even though the green, I mean, it forms a good green candle, but the volume is a little less. So,
Okay.
do we need to
Okay.
consider
Range.
that,
Okay.
or else
Fine.
what particular other things we have?
Let me take this particular. MOT-3 is based on the range shift actually, and same thing. We are using range shift in case of MOT-3. Okay, range shift is nothing but we have a RSI ranges 40-60.
Okay.
Okay, below 40 that will be the bearish. 40 to 60 it's a bullish. 60 above strong bullish. Okay, in the same, this will be the bullish view. In the bearish view, whenever it is rejecting from the 60, that is the
Yeah.
bearish. For example here, uh, in this case, but whenever it is breaking down from the 40, that will be a strong bearish. Okay, I think I'll share that particular video. But now the range shift is nothing but
Yeah,
the
got it.
market is bullish here in this particular time frame. Okay,
Dinesh,
above 60,
can
right?
you just
But range shift means
talk
whenever
about
it is
range
taking
shift for a
60 and again
minute
it
or
is
two?
going upside, that will be the range shift. It will happen in both the cases, like bullish and bearish. For this example, previously it is a bullish, it came and took a support here, but it is not sustained later on. But if in case we back test this one, look at this for the bearish range shift. First it is become a bearish, after that it is rejecting from the 40, because we may not get the trade when it is breakdown immediately, wild move, but we definitely get the trade whenever it is rejecting again from the 40. One more example, look at this. First it is bullish, right? Sorry, bearish. Bearish means below 40. Next time what happened, it went above 40, took a support. Okay, look at the trend after that. That's why range shift is very important. From approximately 17,000 to it went 18-20,000 approximately. Simple daily range shift. Correct? And here we can see first it is bullish, it came below and made some pullback and started falling down. Okay, that means don't be strict with it must come back to 60 and reject. No, it could be reject 58, 55, 61, 62 also. Even though in case of 40 also same thing. First it is below 40, it is going above, taking a support at 44 and it is moving up, upside. There are very minimum time, like it is taking exactly 40. Just I think present chart is looks like that. Hmm. Sorry. Here 1 minute.
Okay, got it. Yeah.
Now it is taking support 40. Last time it came, this is not a range shift. Okay, this is not range shift. Range shift means it has to first come down. After that, it has to go up and take a pullback and go upside. In this case, this will be the range shift. It came, from 60-40 range to above, took one pullback and it started moving upside. These red candles are made, no, here. These are the pullback actually. Clear, right? Okay. And now with respect to MOT-4, current situation in Nifty. Look at this. In daily, what happened? It is taking 40 support. Why we are using daily? For, reading the market. Based on this DWM we applied, there is a piercing pattern. Okay. And when I came to hourly last week, last Friday, I understand that it is taking a MOT-4 setup. So my entry was here, around this gap when it filled the gap, no, 24, 800, 900 range. I just started with 2 lot. Why I have waited for 2 to 3, candle to fill this particular gap. I could have taken based on the hammer also, but just for more confirmation, I waited for crossing the closing the candle above this gap, particular gap. Okay, so let's do the forward testing now from here. My
Yeah,
SL
it's clear now.
for this
Okay,
particular
thanks for that.
position
Yeah.
is below this, 24,756 below. Okay. In next week when we connected, no, we can just analyze about this one. I don't know. It could be a hit a SL or whatever it may be. If in case tomorrow, if it is crossing above, as per our market analysis, if it is going to be cross 60, I am adding few more quantity. If it is making any range shift, I am adding again few more quantity. We are doing the pyramiding, positive pyramiding, right? Okay, whenever it is going to be make a one more move in daily, because it's not an intraday, right? I am going to be hold for at least expiry till expiry for next week. Okay, when we came to daily, if it is going to cross this one, no, I am going to add again. Hourly first I started trading, right? Adding the few quantity. Okay, and I am finding the opportunity in daily. If it is making like 2 to 3 days it is making, and if it is breaking out from the W pattern, we are going to add again. Correct. So this is how we are doing the pyramiding. If you are new to option trading, then add only one quantity based on the opportunity. Only one lot. Take, in Nifty, I used to be take minimum 100 to 150 point SL. Currently, lot size is 25, 2,500 or around 5,000 if it is a 2 lot. Right? Whenever it is making 5,000 or 8,000 profit, I'll trail that to 2,000, 3,000 profit, and after that I am adding the new quantity. Because I am managing my risk. Whatever I bought at the initial stage, I am trailing that in the profit and buying further quantity. You guys are understanding, right? Pyramiding point. Prasad, do you have any question? Because you had some question with respect to trailing also. Yeah. Mm. Yeah, yeah. Correct. Yes, correct. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. This one. No, range shift absolutely related to the RSI only. not price. Range shift is something like, for example, current situation, it is going up. Tomorrow it is coming down and taking support from 40 and moving upside. This is range shift. In that time, what will happen? My SL is here. But price, what will happen? It will go 25,000 round number. It is coming back to 24,900. But my SL is at 24,750. I don't exit my trades.
Yes, Manish.
Right? There will be the premium decay.
Yeah.
Okay. But this is
Yes,
based on the swing
one
trading
query.
strategy, right? We have to sustain in that way.
Please make it 1 hour, and the last one you explained, right?
Whenever it is
Day before
taking
yesterday you
support
took
at
a
40 and
you are
moving
in some
upside,
position, right?
okay, I am adding
Yeah,
with
here.
breakout of this price again.
Yeah,
Pull
you are in the
back,
position.
breakout.
That's fine. But
Swings.
tomorrow,
We call
what
this as
if
a
on
swing,
Monday,
right? Every
if the
swing I am
price
adding 2
move
lot.
up for 100 points or something,
You understand?
again it came back and closed below that SMA line of Bollinger Band. Yes, you consider it as range shift, or are you going to exit it?
Correct. Now it's a entry. Tomorrow, if in case it is
Okay.
trading near to the middle band and it is coming down, then I'll reduce the position. Or else, once I'll take a SL and I'll wait for the again, taking support at 40.
Okay.
But tomorrow it must be trade in that way. We can review that. It has to gap up. Okay, you consider, I'll just take this yellow line. Consider tomorrow it is middle band is going like this. Okay, and our candles are forming like this. Okay, candles are forming like this. It is not backing down. So in that time, what I'll do, I'll just trail along with the middle band. And whenever I am getting the opportunity with respect to the RSI breakout like this, okay, I'm adding the more quantity. Okay.
Okay.
So any questions, guys?
Just few minutes
Here.
back, you said like whenever the price going down this SMA, I mean the middle band,
Trading stop.
you'll be exiting the trade, right? Yeah.
Huh. Here we are not expecting the, you might have come to know that 1:2, 1:5, 1:10 also. What we are doing, we are trailing along
Okay.
with the,
Got-
middle band. For example, let me take your examples itself.
Yes, yes. Yeah.
Correct. That's why. Initial, our SL is more.
Yeah,
That's
got
why
you.
we are adding very less quantity. You understand, no? Here you can see that.
Yeah.
In this case, I think somewhere we added that. 1 second.
Got you. Yeah.
These are the
Yeah.
area where we are getting the
In
1
this
is to 3,
regard,
1
I
is
have
to 5,
raised a
right?
few queries regarding the TSL,
And
trailing stop losses,
here
and
1 is to
risk
1.
rewards.
You can
How
say
much we
risk
have
also
to
more and
we should expect
reward is
1
less,
is to
like
3, 1
1 is
is
to
to
1.
4.
If it is a 300 point SL, okay, same point. We made a money definitely when it is made,
Yeah.
spinning top
Yeah.
at the resistance level. We are exiting. See, we are not stick to the entire strategy. Whenever we see the exit pattern, we are exiting. For
Yeah,
example,
in the
this
backtest
particular
itself, I understand that, because
strategy.
sometimes I used to
Sorry,
get 1 is to 5, or sometimes it will be
chart.
because the
Look
SL
at this.
will be more,
Near
so I will be getting 1 is to
resistance,
3, 1 is
we
to
are
4.
seeing the
We have the
spinning top
exit.
with a high value, exhaustion value, right? We are exiting that one. In that time, we are exiting. We are booking partial profits, holding 1 or 2 lot. Because I don't
Yeah.
want to be hold my entire position until it is breaking down from the middle band. Based on the candlestick pattern, no, I am trailing my stop loss. You got my point? That is important.
Yeah.
Because as per the strategy rule, we have to stick to middle band whenever it is breaking down from
Yes.
the middle band. In that way, definitely we can lose the lot of profit. Hmm.
Yeah.
It took us correct. Huh. You can see in the same time you can see it took a RSI 40 support also. It came back. The candle is closed below middle band, and next day it made a green candle above middle band. Middle band took a support 40, and we can start trading again, right? We can build a position again.
Yes.
I hope it is clear. But guys, my point is that instead
Yes.
of making intraday trades, we have to find out the trade like this. MOT through 3 range shift,
Okay.
MOT 4, okay, support RSI 40 and 60 support trades, MOT 5. It is based on the
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Got it. Yeah.
fib retracement. I'll come back with respect to that one. These three, if in case we are using these strategies, no, this will give a uh, best
Yeah,
return.
sometimes
Plus, we
see
can't able
here
to
itself in the current
take tension about
chart
this.
what you're
Once you
pointing,
entered, you are just keeping the
uh,
SL,
it has came
and
down
where
from this
we are
middle
doing our
band, and
job.
again there is
It
some
will be
moment,
a swing
yeah, some
option swing
momentum.
trading using these strategies. MOT
Yes,
1 and 2s are very good, but those are intraday purpose. But we are busy with our other profession. That's why we are building these strategies. We are just working at end of a day and we are buying, and we are waiting for the 1 to 2 days
yes,
to
yes.
make at least 1:2, 1:5, one
Yeah,
is to
got it.
10, whatever it may be. Okay. Let me last example with, and it is going to be work in any of the stock also, any of the index also. Okay. Which one? ABB. Let me just check the opportunity in ABB. Look at this. MOT 3, it is range shift here. PE, if in case we are entering our PE here, look at this. Okay. And for MOT 4, we can enter here with one candle or two candle risk, right? It took a support at 40, right? Look at the momentum. And we are adding when it made a pullback or a range shift here around this price, adding one more lot. So we have to switch one. Sometime we are getting the best opportunity PE side, sometime we are getting the best opportunity in CE side also. Okay. One more, I think HAL, I think so. Once again, same thing. Here it is breaker, took a support, it is hourly. Whenever we have the heavy risk, no, we are avoiding that one. If in case I entered here, no, with this particular space, I would have get a more profit. But when this green candle, big green candle, my SL also around 18 to 20, 25,000. I don't want that much of risk. In that case, what I'll do, I'll leave this one, this opportunity. We have to think risk based on our capital, our capacity. Now look at this. If in case we entered at this green candle, or based on the candlestick pattern, this is the hammer, right? If in case we entered here, then we would have made already good money. But now if in case we have to enter here, means there will be the around how much, more than 150 point SL. If in case we have that capability, then definitely this is the best entry currently. Yeah. Let's come again. I think now okay. please. Mhm. Uh, this one, right? Huh. If in case, let me draw one second. If in case I entered here, no, I entered here, my swing low will be our SL. Okay. But when I entered here, no, first of all, if I am there, I won't enter here because this will be the more risk. Okay. But when I entered first candle, pullback, or else whenever it is breaking out from this and taking support, no, definitely swing low will be our SL. Okay. And in this particular case, okay, this is very low risk, I mean low small
One second.
candle is there
The
here. But when
big
best candle or a healthy candle
candle
made, no, I'll take a trade there
you
and I'll
have shown here.
I'll
And
just
I mean,
trail according to this particular moving
am I audible?
middle band. You asked me,
Sorry.
no, like if it is a very small
See,
candle, what
in
we
case
can
of
do.
this big
We are
candle,
waiting for the green
the
candle,
SL should be the
or
low of
else
that
we are
candle, or we have to
adding
consider
only
the
one
swing low.
candle. Sorry, one lot.
Not here, not here. In the middle, you
Testing
explained,
the
right?
water. We are
Skip the
taking just
opportunity.
5
Yes,
to
here.
8,000 SL, and we
Yeah.
are. But the opportunity, look at this. It could make 1:5, 1:6, 1:10 us. There are,
Yeah. Yeah.
look at this. This will be the range shift, right? First it came below 40. After that it rejected. Look at this. From this particular range shift, and even though in that time also, if in case we are trailing based on the moving average, okay, middle band, we are gaining good
Okay.
profit, like 45, 4600
Yeah.
too. Okay. Whenever it is taking us, making a this green candle, we are exiting 2 to 300 points gain. Or else, whenever it is reversed, remember this one last week, last time we discussed. This is called W pattern, right? When it is made a W pattern, we are exiting our short position and we are starting with a long position.
Okay.
We are changing the view immediately. In last strategy, we learned
Yeah.
about the W pattern, right? Inside, outside, volatility divergence.
Yeah.
Based on the range shift, we started trading PE. Based on the volatility divergence, we are going to,
Yes.
trading the CE side, or we
Yeah.
are adding the position, long positions. Okay. And this is also one of the, volatility divergence inside, outside, a strategy example. Going forward, what we are doing, we are connecting all the strategy, MOT, stock trading or a cash portfolio strategies, plus momentum option trading strategies. Okay. Only the a point is that we are not missing the opportunity. We are adding our technicality. We are connecting our uh, knowledge, and we are making the good money. That's it. Any questions, guys? I think it is 1.5 hours. Yeah. Prasad, do you have any question? Hello, guys. Am I audible? Okay. Okay. 1 second, Swami. Huh. Okay then, guys. This will be the long session, 1.5 hours. Okay, but I hope I give a good value for this. We have covered market, update, weekly market update. Plus, I have explained MOT-4. I'll record the session for this MOT-4, and I'll share it with you in weekdays. But just do the back testing. Okay, until you are getting the confidence, I hope it is not easy to be execute the trade in options. Okay. Okay, guys, then. If you have any question, we can discuss. Otherwise, we can wind up this call for this week. Thank you, guys, then. Okay. See you next week. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, Murli.
Yeah, I am fine.
Sure. Thank you, Murgesh.
Thank you.